Number 1. 1960 to Chevrolet C20 Custom Dually, $6,900 Wimberley, Texas. This 1960 to Chevrolet C20 is a rare dually configuration with an unmistakable patina finish, giving it a truly unique aesthetic. Under the hood is a rebuilt V8 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Mechanically, it's been thoroughly refreshed with a new Edelbrock carburetor, upgraded brake system, new clutch, battery, and gas tank. This truck starts on the first try and runs smoothly, ready for local cruising. The attention to detail and recent upgrades make the C20 a standout vintage workhorse with character. Number 2. 1970 to Ford F350 Camper Special, $6,000 Spokane, Washington. The second-generation Ford F350 Camper Special is presented in excellent condition, benefiting from a full engine rebuild and fresh paint stripped to bare metal. The transmission has been serviced, and both suspension and upholstery have been redone. The carburetor and radiator have been rebuilt, with additional updates including a new starter and windshield. It's a visually striking, mechanically sound truck ideal for a classic utility enthusiast or weekend adventurer. Number 3. 1976 Ford F100, $5,500 Ladera Heights, California. Owned for 2 decades, this 1976 Ford F100 has received significant mechanical work over the years, including an engine and transmission overhaul around 10 years ago. Recent replacements include shocks, brakes, and muffler. The interior has been refreshed with new seat foam, door panels, and floor mats. Though the odometer is broken and the exterior remains in original condition, the solid body and consistent maintenance make it a reliable daily vintage driver. Number 4. 1974 Dodge D200 Club Cab, $6,987 Park Hill, Colorado. A classic square-body pickup with only 44,000 actual miles, this extended cab 1974 Dodge D200 is powered by its original 440 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. It features dual fuel tanks, one new, one cleaned, new tires, and starts reliably even in cold weather. Some surface rust is present, but the truck has a clean title and good bones. It sat protected for years, making it a rare low-mileage survivor ready to haul or restore further. Number 5. 1971 Chevrolet C10, $8,000 Puyallup, Washington. This clean 1971 C10 runs and drives well with a 350 V8 engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. It retains its original straight body, full chrome trim, and includes upgrades like disc brakes, an aluminum radiator, and a new brake module. This is a solid and desirable short-bed classic from the golden era of Chevy pickups. Number 6. 1960 Chevrolet Apache C10, $3,000 Redding, California. Offered as a project, This 1960 Apache features a reliable 235 inline-six engine and manual transmission. Though it currently runs using a temporary gas can and has no working brakes, it includes new soft brake lines and a recently serviced carburetor. The body is impressively rust-free aside from the usual spots on the hood. This truck has solid potential for a Restimate or original-style restoration. Number 7. 1960 Ford F350 $4,500 Sacramento, California. This classic Ford has undergone an engine and transmission overhaul, including hardened valves for unleaded fuel. While the engine runs video available, the truck cannot currently drive due to the missing driveshaft, with minimal surface rust and a clean body. It's a solid restoration candidate with a clean title and several extra parts included. Number 8. 1973 Ford F350 Camper Special $4,250 Raton, New Mexico. This camper special is equipped with a 390 cubic inch V8 and 4-speed manual transmission. Although the odometer shows only 23,700 miles, the seller notes it was parked for 20 years, making actual mileage uncertain. Recent updates include ignition components, a rebuilt carburetor, and a cooling system flush. A strong-running, no-nonsense truck with clean Colorado paperwork. Number 9. 1976 Ford F100 Shortbed $4,800 Tucson, Arizona. A desirable shortbed variant of the F100. This truck features an inline-six engine and a T1.8 4-speed manual transmission. It's ideal as a project with included DJM lowering kit and replacement floor pans. While not turnkey ready, it provides a solid base for a classic street truck build, and delivery is available for an additional fee. Number 10. 1989 Ford Ranger 4x4 Parts Truck $250 Bothell, Washington. This 1989 Ford Ranger is strictly for parts. It's a 4x4 model with a V6 and 5-speed manual transmission. It runs if jumped but has no title and is in salvage condition, useful for someone needing drivetrain components or body panels from this generation of Ranger. Number 11. 1987 Ford F250 4x4 $5,500 Sequam, Washington, featuring the reliable 4.9-liter inline-six and a 4-speed NP435 manual gearbox. This F250 is a heavy-duty workhorse. The 4x4 system, Dana rear end, aluminum toolbox, and recent maintenance brakes, radiator, muffler, water pump enhance its functionality. The odometer has rolled over, but this rugged truck is ready to be put back to work or used off-road. Number 12. 1984 Ford F700 Flatbed $5,000 Felon, California. A true commercial-grade truck. This Ford F700 is powered by a Detroit 8.2-liter diesel and an Allison automatic transmission. With only 34,000 miles, it's in good condition with working brakes and tires. The 12-feet flatbed and trailer brake controller make it an ideal candidate for farm use or light industrial hauling. Number 13. 1981 Chevrolet El Camino Conquista, $5,500 Tigard, Oregon. This two-tone El Camino is powered by its numbers-matching 305 V8 mated to a 3-speed automatic. The body is in great shape with no floor pan rust, and it's riding on Cragar wheels with new tires. Chrome trim, wood interior accents, and rear suspension airbags add comfort and utility. With only 79,000 miles, it's a solid option for someone looking for a stylish and functional classic. Number 14. 1986 Ford F350 DY, $5,000 Oceanside, California. Offered as a project, this F350 DY runs and drives but needs a proper gas tank and radiator. The fuel pump and tank have been replaced, though the tank is not the correct size. The body appears intact, and it's a great foundation for someone wanting a heavy-duty vintage hauler. Clean title, no back fees, and a temporary registration make it easier to transfer and restore.